Okay, really exciting new feature here at thanks.io. The mailing list section of the site now has an additional option called the radius search. And this is really, really cool stuff. What it allows you to do is to specify a center address, a sort of address that you're going to base your search around and do a radius around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select that address. You're going to select the number of records that you want. So let's just say I want 100 records around this address. And what's most interesting and very cool is that you can actually choose from segmented targeted options here that you see on the screen. So you can do things like just the nearest neighbors. You can do people who are likely to move or likely to refinance, absentee owners, people with a certain amount of home equity, people who are going to retire, retiring, properties with pools. And these lists are just built out here and ready to go. So if I want to say send to absentee owners, I would choose that option. And I can include condos if I want or not include condos. And I can also append an email and a phone to each record if I want. So what you'll see is that the base records are just 5 cents each to build out the mailing list. You'll be able to add this mailing list to the thanks.io account. You can send to it as many times as you want. You don't have to pay for the record each time. And if you want the extra data, we're going to look for the email and phone and add that to the actual record for an additional 20 cents each. So you can toggle that on or off. So if I want 100 addresses here, around this address of absentee owners, it'll cost me $5, and I'll just click to buy the mailing list, and then it'll add it to the thanks.io system for sending. So again, the new radius search is accessible from the mailing list section. You have the ability to choose demographically targeted segments here. There's about, call this about 15, 20 of them for specific types that you might want to target. And then you just add the list to your thanks.io account for 5 cents a record, or have the option to also get the email and phone for an additional 20 cents per record. Definitely log into your thanks.io account today. Play around with this new feature. If you need any help at all, remember, we do have our concierge option on the left side of the dashboard. So if you need any help at all, just reach out, click the concierge design, and we'll help you get going with any campaigns based on this feature or any of our existing features here at thanks.io.